100% on our way to the moon.
Moon trains on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony. With
The Dow is over $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon,
No,
which
you
was
didn't. No, you didn't.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right, guys, as soon as we closed yesterday here, we sold off with the whole Asian market. And as soon as the Asian market closed, we kind of low-key recovered. The thing that I'm going to be paying, if you don't go over here, right, you're not even going to go and attempt this FOMC price on SPX, and that's really where you need to go. As of right now, we have a couple lower targets. We have 74, 73, as well as 74.22 that will or should touch. I mean, right now I think we're right down here under it either way, pre-market. So that can be crossed off the list. So either you recover and you really go for this today, or prepare to undercut yesterday's low, and that should happen fairly quickly. The gamma here is pretty interesting and not like the greatest, it has to be said. So today is July 4th. And as you can see, we closed pretty much right here, right? And we're under right now, we're over 745. As you can see here, this is very interesting gamma here. The next red one is up there, which is well above the FOMC price. It's almost more likely to be dragged down here, okay? But then again, it is the week of July 4th and everybody's kind of waiting on some news. As far I was 85% cash. I am in my QQQ hedge, right? My QQQ hedge was 734 puts. Yeah, that's that ghost we caught on Flow Trade. We have not been able to trade above it. The only good thing about this overnight session, I guess, would be Meta did get fucking stewed to death on MEU, because again, the Kospi sold. But we do have a few catalysts today available for us. Here's the Namo again. It could easily just come down again like that. Nothing earth shattering in the data. Puts and calls pretty neutral. But pre-market today, not only do we have ADP employment change that could move the market, that's coming out soon. Again, it is 1, 2, 3 markets 3 hours before I filmed this, and it's kind of I kind of like getting this pre-market feel on these videos personally, because it's fresher info. Then we have Fed Chair Warsh speaking with the ECB and Lagarde. We got ISM, and then we have some Japanese info coming in. And tomorrow we have non-farm payrolls, and it's a half day, and this is undoubtedly going to become the move here. So if we have a slow bleeder of a day, I'm just going to let the hedge work and not do much. A lot of puts came in. I don't know if Warsh is out here to protect this level and we just nuke, and if that is the case, sell everything and let the hedge do the work. Yesterday we had rebalancing. Clearly they came into a little bit of Meta, they came into a little bit of Apple, and Apple has not sold with the market whatsoever. But it is definitely memory taking the brunt here. And again, I will keep an eye on Robinhood. That 4 hour is still bull flagging. I guess it could come all the way down here and then go. We'll see. A lot of stuff happening. We were in the right stuff, but as you see, it is really hard to kind of catch this move. Everybody is on edge, at least that's how it feels. Another thing that was a little sketchy was this: there was no dark pool supporting that. It was on either index. It was pretty much just QQQ flow. And then you did have obviously Dow Jones pretty strong yesterday as well, and that is kind of what makes this market tricky, right? You see here a lot of buying on it, and then IWM was also strong and it's kind of crappy here after hours. So let's see where we open. To sum it all up, if it's weak, this shit falls out of the sky pretty much all day. If we manage to gap over yesterday's close with the ADP or wash catalyst, it could be a pretty strong day, because then you could view it as even they held the price even though they were selling off. So what happens when they come in with buys? Okay, so that is what we're going to keep an eye on today. All right, I'll see you in a few hours, and just your daily reminder that this is dog shit. All right.
With